So my name is Richard Wulff. I represent ICISA, the International Credit Insurance and Surety Association, which is the association for largely private market trade credit insurers, political risk insurers, and sureties and their reinsurers. And I always boast that we represent the vast majority of our market. What we're seeing is, I think, what everyone is seeing. We're seeing trade flows changing slightly. We are seeing more protectionism. We are seeing more sanctions, more export controls, and we're dealing with it basically. It used to be the case that it was very easy. You would put in your policy, whatever is not legal is not covered in this policy. I'm not sure that works anymore. So what we need is much more information, much more granular data. We need basically a view on the whole supply chain. Where does it come from? Where is it going? There was an excellent report by one of the rating agencies on export controls and how, funnily enough, the exports to Kazakhstan have risen tremendously when exports to Russia have gone back to zero, basically. This is the kind of stuff we're looking at. We do that for export controls and we do it for sanctions, but it's equally important for everything that has to do with ESG, because it's probably not sufficient anymore to say we are not going to insure shipments of coal, or we're going to take it easy on fossil fuels. You want to know where your product is going, how that is adding to global emissions, and that's what we need a lot more transparency in the supply chain for. Where there's economy, there's trade. Where there's trade, we are needed. So our number one priority going forward, as it's always been, is to support the real economy. Give risk cover so that banks can finance, so that companies can go abroad, but also within their domestic market to do more business and to get that economic wheel turning and turning and turning. That has always been our priority. That will remain our priority going forward. And that's what we do.